Hello, guys, and welcome to Money Sprinkles, where we talk about personal credit and business credit. Today, we are going to talk about a request that was made by one of my subscribers, and they wanted me to do a video on the Department of Commerce Federal Credit Union. So, if that was you that requested it, I'm sorry I did not write your name down. I was replying to all my comments and I failed to write your name down. But if that was you, thank you very much for your request. And here is this video specially for you. Okay. Also, if you haven't done so, please make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. My subscribers are rising, and I am so excited for this community to keep growing because all I want to do is educate, educate, educate. Okay. So, again, if you haven't done so, just make sure you smash that like button and subscribe and share these videos with your friends, family members, and anybody that may be looking for some information on personal credit or business credit. Okay. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with the Department of Commerce Federal Credit Union. To Money Sprinkles, Leslie here, getting ready to discuss the Department of Commerce Federal Credit Union by request of one of my subscribers. Okay, so the first thing I want to talk about this credit union. Where is my cue card? Just have my cue card. I misplaced it. Let me grab it. Sorry about that. Okay, this credit union was established in 1964. It's the second largest credit union in the DC area. It is NCUA insured. It's currently membership based, and it processes about $23.8 million in revenue. This was in 2020. Okay, so let's get started on this credit union on this review. To become a member, first of all, you can be one of these, a current or retired employee of the following, and of course, the Department of Commerce, White House Communications, Executive Office of the President, a family or individual that lives with the member, or you could be a consumer eligible for membership by joining the American Consumer Council. Basically, everybody can be a member of the American Consumer Council. So basically, anybody is open to this membership. Okay. So let's look at some of the things that they do offer. This credit union is definitely known for a program called Relationship Rewards. And what it does is that it awards you points and rewards based on the products and services that you use with them. So I'm going to go over the levels real quickly because again, I thought it was kind of cute. What they do is again, again, banking is it's a relationship build. So I love to see these type of rewards for the members. Okay, so if total points, if you're bronze, silver, gold, I guess you're tiered. If you have the identity theft recovery service, you get between 21 and 30 points, so on and so forth. You audio teller, home banking. The check marks signify that those are you actually get points for all of those. For telephone transfers, you get $3 per transaction. So again, I thought this was really cute, and there's something an incentive for you to participate and you use their products. Again, relationship. If you see right here, relationship rewards. All these banks want relationships with their members. Okay, let's move on to some of their products. So they're currently offering auto loans. I did review these. They do approve up to 105% on new and used financing. They do have quick approvals within 24 hours. They do rate matching available to qualified members. So if you happen to be a member of the Department of Commerce Federal Credit Union and you are also a member, let's say, of Bank of America, Bank of America is giving you a 4.74. They might rate match you as well if you apply with them. So again, the only thing that it might be a pull on your credit. That's the only thing that will hinder you from applying, for this auto loan and comparing it to the Bank of America. Okay. And then they have free auto check for used vehicles with loan application. And what that means is just basically they send you that pre-approved check, and you could go to any bank and go ahead and use it to um, purchase your new vehicle. Their rates are not bad. 36 months, 4.99, 48 months, 5.74, 60 months, 6.49, 72 months, 100% financing. You have to have a purchase of a minimum $20,000, 7.24, and so on and so forth. Again, I don't recommend going beyond 60 months of a loan because that's 5 years of paying on a car, and that is 5 years of interest accruing. The more you start getting into 72, 84, and 96, you're paying a whopping amount of interest. Okay. So that's something to keep in the back of your head. Those are the rates for new vehicles. For used vehicles, they start at 5.99 and they go all the way up to 8.24. This 8.24 is what currently a lot of the auto dealers are currently starting with for used cars. And I say this because I just bought my car 3 days ago, and this is the rate that they were talking about for a used car. I bought a 2021. Okay. And again, they also provide the auto loan calculators, gap insurance, which I definitely advise everybody to get gap insurance. It's a no-brainer. For a couple of bucks more, your car is totaled. You owe more on your car that they want to pay you out. This gap insurance covers that. So I recommend that if you are able to pay the $10, $15 extra. And it's normally $10, $15 extra, period, not like over every month. Okay, so it's very cheap. I do not recommend extended vehicle service warranties. All right, let's see what the other program is. So the next thing I was going to talk about is their loans, lines of credit, and credit cards, which is basically the products that they offer. They offer mortgage loans. I'm not familiar with their mortgage loans, but they look like they're pretty standard mortgage loans. You could get pre-qualified for your next mortgage, so that's a great thing to do. Again, pre-qualification is always key to you applying to credit cards because or credit cards or to any type of loan products because it's normally a soft pull. Pre-quals are normally soft pull. When you actually accept the product is when you get the actual hard pull on your credit. Okay. So they have home equity lines of credit. They have home equity loans and lines of credit with zero closing costs. That's pretty good. Um, I want to get down to the personal loans so we could see what they have here. All right, with the personal loans, they have personal loans from $500 to $50,000. They have flexible terms up to 72 months, and you can apply online and the results within 24 hours. That's pretty savvy. I like that. No annual fees or prepayment penalties, so you can pay it whenever you want to. As soon as you pay it off, is whenever you want to. They have personal lines of credit, or what is also known as PLOCs. Borrow what you need between $250 and $50,000. Of course, you don't start making payments until you actually activate that personal line of credit. There are currently no annual fees, and it can be linked to your checking account for overdraft protection. You have immediate access to your funds as well. That's pretty cool. The rates for the personal loans currently at 12 months, 9.99, 24, 10.49, and so on and so forth. The line of credit, including the overdrafts, is 13.99%. That's pretty decent right now. All right. And then last but not least, oops, I forgot my credit cards. Okay, not last. Credit cards, okay? Just say no to the fees. So they have competitive rates and no annual fees or fees for balance transfers or cash advances. That's really good. They could, of course, no, like I said, no annual fee, no balance transfers, no cash advance, low fixed interest rate, and they have the EMV chip enabled for security. Their current rates are they currently have three credit cards, a classic, a gold, and a platinum. They're all visas. Their classic is 17.99, their gold is 15.99, and their platinum is 10.99% APR per year. They also offer emergency loans up to $5,000 and no payments for the first 60 days. And you could get up to a low APR of 11.99 and terms up to 24 months and no repayment penalties if you decide to pay off early. You also have this payday alternative loan, which I love when credit unions and bank offer this because I honestly believe payday loans are predatory thieves. Okay, I despise them because of the rate that they charge. I had to use them back in the day when I was in the military, and hard times, and you had to pay or you had to buy some food for the kids, and your paycheck just did not go that long. So I did one and it was ridiculous. It was almost, I think I got $500 and I had to pay almost $1,000 back. So they are ripoffs. They did what they did, but these banks nowadays are offering payday alternative loans. And this one, again, is $200 to $2,000 loan amounts, up to 6 months to repay a loan, up to $1,000. And then they give you 12 months to repay a loan between $1,000 to $2,000. The fixed interest rate is $28. That's pretty high. but it's definitely less than the predatory loans that they have out there for payday loans. And there's a $20 application fee for it. Okay. Definitely consider that if you're a member of this credit union. And last but not least, let's go over their performance checking. This is one of the few credit unions that I know that only offers one type of checking account. And this is it, it's their performance checking account. You can earn up to 3.50 annual percent yearly on balances up to $20,000. No monthly maintenance fee. For the no monthly maintenance fee, you demand okay. Early withdrawal that doesn't apply. No monthly maintenance fee, no minimum balance, competitive rates, and a variety of terms and options available. They're insured by the NCUA. You have online banking, mobile banking, and bill pay, and free online debit rewards. Monthly requirements: 12 or more debit card purchases, spending of $100 or more, one online banking or mobile banking login, one direct deposit, and then you definitely receive electronic statements. Okay, so there's a performance checking rate, and that's all they have. They don't have anything else. I was just amazed at when I saw that, which is pretty cool. It's pretty standard. You become a member and you say, I just want to become a member and just have one performance checking. As I was scrolling through here, I just noticed that look at this. The Department of Commerce Federal Credit Union is now open to all U.S. citizens and resident aliens. So, as I stated earlier, the membership you having to be a member of the American Council, what was it, the American Consumer Council? Yes, the ACC. You no longer have to do that because it's right here. Department of Commerce Federal Credit Union is now open to all U.S. citizens and resident aliens. So if you live in the Washington, D.C. area and if you're looking for a good credit union, go out there and check out the Department of Commerce Federal Credit Union. Okay. I hope this video has helped. Thank you again if you are my subscriber and you're watching this video. Thank you for recommending this video. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. And if you haven't done so yet, please share with all your friends and family members. Okay. Talk to y'all soon.